Twin, that's 2. Yes! Guys, come back to another video. I'm so happy right now. So, the order, it said maybe. It might come around 2 or 6. If it doesn't come at 2, it's coming at 6. So, yo, yes. Okay. We're just gonna be doing some basketball shots. Like I'm using a paper ball. Let me think of my hat. The basketball hoop. Sorry, bro. We just went train watching, guys. And yo, we were so close to getting cab, do I tell you? I'm gonna put the video of it in this video. I choked on my spit. Okay. Oh. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe if you want more BB gun content and train content. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to tell you 2 or 6. The Glock 19X is coming. Okay, bye, guys. I am close to this boy.
It's remote control.
Really?
Yeah, it's like the antennas on the top.
No, that's even on this one too. Those are on.
Is that like the phone?
Anybody home?
Yeah, I think that is the phone.
Why?
Seeing the cab a tiny bit. Sheesh. We're so close to this. I'm right here. Right there's the train. Look at